Police in Japan say hackers are now targeting users of mobile messaging app Line. The company has more than 480 million registered users. Welcome to Asia Today. I'm Yun-Hee Kim. Our Wall Street Journal reporter Megumi Fujikawa was actually a victim of the hacking. Thanks for joining us from Tokyo, Megumi. Tell us what happened when you try to log on to your Line account.
One night when I tried to log on to my Line account, I couldn't. And this warning kept showing up that you cannot log into this account because it had been logged in from a different location. Then I realized my Line account had been hacked by someone. And I tried my registered email address and password, but it didn't work out. So I realized that somebody changed them. So I lost control of my account completely. So the next thing I did was posting a note on my Facebook to tell all of my friends that my Line account had been hacked, and it wasn't me asking for web money.
It was asking you for money.
Yes, the hacker asked all of my friends on the Line friend list to buy these prepaid cards for web money to use for video games.
Wow, that's pretty alarming. How many cases have been reported so far?
According to Line Corp, there have been more than 300 cases as of mid-June.
Right, and what are the extent of damages so far, monetary damages?
It's at least around $8,700, but it could be more.
And any insight as to just how this has happened, and what does Line have to say about the hacking incident?
The Line Corp said the user information didn't leak out from the Line server, and the possibility is that users who set same IDs and passwords for other web services tend to be an easy target.
Right. Megumi, messaging apps are really popular. A lot of people use them for not only free texting, but also voice calls. Is this something that could potentially impact other services as well, or is this just limited to Line currently?
I think the issue could expand to other smartphone apps. The people tend to be using more free apps to send messages and voice calls.
Right. So it's certainly something that we'll need to watch out for. Thanks very much, Megumi Fujikawa, for joining us from Tokyo. For more on this story, you can go to WSJ.com. I'm Yun-Hee Kim for the Wall Street Journal Digital Network. Thanks for watching.